If you're a California laundromat owner, you need to watch this video because there's some legislation that's going to affect your laundromat in a big way. California is set to pass legislation that's going to require every single washing machine to have its own microfiber filtration system. This law is really designed for residential washing machines, but it's going to affect every single commercial washing machine too. Commercial washing machines are designed to drain about 50 gallons of water in just about 12 seconds. Now, good luck draining that fast when you have a filter that's designed to stop microfibers. Water's not going to drain very quickly at all. And when your water doesn't drain quickly, your washing machine is going to think there's something wrong. So not only does that mean longer cycle times, but the big problem is you're going to need special washing machines designed just for California. Now, what does that mean? It's already very difficult to get washing machines. There's a supply shortage. Some washing machines have over a 1-year wait. It's going to be tough for new laundromats to open, and existing laundromats are going to have a tough time getting replacement parts or new machines. That means more broken washing machines for customers. Prices are going to go up. I mean, if you were a manufacturer of washing machines and you know you could sell them faster than you could even make them, why would you bother making special washing machines just for California? The only reason why you would ever sell a special machine made just for California is if you charge a bunch of money just for that washing machine. So number one, there's going to be fewer washing machines available, and two, they're going to cost a lot more. And guess who's going to pay for it? The customer, because the laundromat's going to raise their prices, which means the most vulnerable people in our society are going to be winding up paying the lion's share of this tax. This legislation, AB 1628, is a tax on the poor, and it's going to make life as a laundry owner very difficult. So you need to call your legislator and let them know this legislation is not compatible with laundromats, and many people depend upon laundromats for basic needs. In the comments section of this video is a link which will provide you the contact information of your representative, of who you should contact and what to tell them. Please make this call. You don't want to be the person who, after this passes, says, "Oh, I wish I made the call." To have a clear conscience, you need to make this call and have everybody in your family, friends, and network to make that call too. There's power in numbers.